Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome to The Good Taste TV. I am Rocio. Today, we are going to prepare an exquisite roast chicken, but we are going to do it in the oven. This chicken is going to be delicious, with great flavor. You cannot miss the recipe, and remember that the ingredients you find written below in the video description. Here, I have all the ingredients, my friends. The quantities will be enough for a chicken that weighs between 1.2 kilo to 1.5 kilo. This chicken that I have here weighs approximately 1.3 kilo, and we will be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, or if not, you can also use 2 tablespoons of white wine or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons oil, half a tablespoons ground black pepper, half a tablespoons dried rosemary, half a tablespoons onion powder, half a tablespoons garlic powder, half a tablespoons paprika, half a tablespoons ground cumin, 2 tablespoons salt. Having already the ingredients, we get to work. In a small bowl, we are going to mix all the ingredients. We add cumin, paprika, garlic, onion, rosemary, pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar and oil. And we just have to mix around here. Here we have the chicken. I like to put a little paper towel on it and remove the excess moisture it may have, whether the chicken is washed or not. That is optional, and the most appropriate is not to wash it. Due to the risk of cross-contamination, the chicken that you buy roasted or breaded in the market, restaurants, they do not wash it. They cook it like this. They put the marinade, the ingredients, and just cook it. But as I tell you, this is optional. If you want, wash it. If not, then no. We are going to lift the skin of the chicken. Be very careful not to break it. And this is so that the skin won't shrink too much while it's baking. So here we peel off very carefully. And also when peeling off the skin, we can put the marinade there and give more flavor. And now we are going to add the spice mixtures that we have. We are going to spread them well. I marinate the wings last. We also put marinade here between the skin and the meat. We also put it inside the chicken. And so on until the entire chicken is full covered of this marinade. And finally, in the wings do not need to have so much marinade. And with a kitchen thread, we are going to tie the legs. We move the chicken to a tray. We take it into the refrigerator to marinate for at least 2 hours. Or during the whole night. After the marinating time, we take the chicken out of the refrigerator. We are going to keep it here at room temperature for about 20 minutes so that the cold goes down. In the meantime, we are going to turn on the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and let it preheat there for about 20 minutes. Here, I have an oven rack and a tray. I will put the chicken here. If you have those trays that already have the grid included, then use it because it is much more practical. But if you don't, do it like I'm doing. Pour the remaining juice over the chicken. We'll put it like this. On top of that, I like to put the chicken on a rack, because then all the juices will fall there on the tray and a more uniform golden brown color will remain. Before putting it in the oven, I like to cover the wings with aluminum foil, so I'm going to cover the wings, especially this part of here, and about 10 minutes before taking out the chicken. I'm going to remove the aluminum so that that part turns golden. With the oven already preheated, we're going to enter the chicken. In the middle of the oven, we are going to let it cook first 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And then, after those 50 minutes, we will take the temperature of the chicken and turn it over so that it gets color from the bottom. It's been 50 minutes. I took out the chicken so you can see better. I put the thermometer on it, and it's 64 degrees Celsius. And this has to reach 74 degrees Celsius for the chicken to be cooked well, so it's still 10 degrees Celsius further away. We are going to put it in the oven again, but we are going to turn it over so that the bottom part also get golden brown. Look, that's what I'm telling you, why it's good to put it on the rack, because it's already starting to take color. We put the chicken back in the oven, and now I'm going to leave it for 15 more minutes, and then I'll get back to take the internal temperature. Well, my friends, the chicken is now ready. It has already reached 74 degrees Celsius internal temperature. In total, it was in the oven approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. I also removed the aluminum from the wings, and look how nice the color is. If you wish, you can put the chicken back in the oven for about 3 more minutes so that it takes on a more golden brown color. Now, I'm going to let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to carve the chicken. This is how this chicken turned out. Look at the color, it smells and tastes delicious. It is a recipe that you are going to love. Don't forget to remove the kitchen thread from its legs, and the chicken is ready for serving. The chicken turned out well and juicy. Let's serve. I'll be accompanying with some potatoes. A Campero chicken-style salad is a very delicious coleslaw. If you want the recipe, I will leave it in the description of this video. There will be the link for you to watch it. Thank you for joining me today in the Good Taste TV. If you liked this recipe and want more, subscribe to this channel. Activate the notification bell. See you in another video. Goodbye.